It's called Turkey Cups.
Just take a picture of me for a while. Who's Nanny Texan?
I commented on one of those things online about Donald Trump. And some lady.
Flappy Bird. It's kind of like Flappy Bird. It's kind of like Flappy Bird. Not really.
He wouldn't do this to say that. And I said,
Happy Matching Bird.
I've never done seen nothing wrong or done anything wrong.
Okay.
Obviously, disagree on this matter.
No, it won't. It won't work.
Sorry, Mom. One day when I went by there, I didn't remember what.
No, that game sucks. I didn't brush my hair.
Along the street.
That's trivia.
I've never done anything wrong.
Right, that's what I'm saying there. Yeah.
Doing some trivia. We got some chips.
I told us about what I wanted to say. I wish you had told me that ahead of time.
I've never done anything else.
That's what I would have said.